Grabe, Tito Soto shocked by Senate insertion in 2025 national budget daw ho, mga kababayan, mga boss. This was how Senator Vicente Soto III described the alleged 142.7 billion, grabe, laking pera. 142.7 billion in budget insertion that Senate President Chis Escudero and other senators supposedly made by 6.2 trillion spending program this year, which included a whooping 1.1 trillion allotment by the Department of Public Works and Highway o DPWH. Nako, diyan lagi mga kababayan, no, sa DPWH, yung mga maayos na kalsada, gugulat ka, biglang sira. Oh, okay to ah. Kakagawa lang nito 3 years ago yung kalsada namin ah. Sira. Bakit hinuhukay? Bakit giniba na naman? Eh boss, mas patitibayin natin.